Hello and welcome to Cookery with Mason Storm. Today we are going to be making ourselves some coffee liqueur. This is really easy to make, it's quite delicious, and it's also fairly cheap to make. First of all, we're going to be selecting our alcohol. I've got this vodka here. I'm just going to measure it in my alkalimeter just for fun, but it's 50%. And our end goal is to have a product that's between 15 and 20%. So we have to reduce this quite a bit to get to that level. So the way we're going to do that is mathematics, which is very, very fun. But first, we're going to make a syrup. So I got coffee and I got sugar, equal parts of each. And I got 200 milliliters of my vodka that's at 50% alcohol. So now we're just going to heat up our sugar and our coffee at the same time. Otherwise, it won't blend because that's a lot of sugar to get in that amount of coffee. Well, that ratio is anyway, regardless of the amount. So we got 200 milliliters of vodka at 50%, which means there's 100 milliliters of alcohol, which means that if we divide that into 5 parts, there's our 20%. So there's 2 parts to begin with. There's 1 part alcohol, 1 part the water that's in the alcohol, and then we got the 3 parts are going to be our sugar coffee mixture. And that's going to get us our 20%. Otherwise, if you got something that's lower, like 40%, you just want probably equal parts syrup to equal parts liqueur. You know, if you have like a 25 or sorry, like a 35, 40% alcohol, that's probably a lot simpler to do. But once you get your calculator out, it all becomes easy to figure out. And with the heat of the stove here, this syrup, it combines pretty good. And it's quite delicious. I mean, it's half sugar. What could go wrong? So I'm going to measure out about 300 milliliters of my coffee sugar mixture here. Perfect. And now I can simply combine that with my alcohol, put the lid on, shake it, and there we go. We have ourselves something pretty good. I should point out that you can't use the alkalimeter to measure the final percentage due to the amount of sugar because the alkalimeter works based on the specific gravity of the liquid, and that's just not really quite how that works because it really counteracts it because of the weight of the sugar. Oh, yeah. Anyway, if you like this, please like and subscribe. And until next time, stay awesome.